Before you came on this retreat, Trina, what were your expectations?
I was hoping for a nice relaxing week off work in the sun in Spain. I've come with my mum, so I was hoping to spend some nice quality time with mum. Some nice veggie food. We're both vegetarian, which is sometimes a little bit difficult to find veggie food in Spain, so I thought, tick, that's sorted. And just to meet some interesting people. And then if I'm absolutely honest, the Pilates was like last on the list probably, because I haven't done much Pilates before, but actually that's turned out to be a bit of a highlight. I've really enjoyed it. So.
Oh good, phew.
Yeah, phew.
On a Pilates retreat.
Around, yeah.
So have you ever been on a retreat before?
I've been on writing retreats, but I haven't been on exercise retreats before.
Ah.
So writing retreats, I kind of thought the shape of the week might be a bit similar, where we'd be a whole bunch of strangers that would get together, we'd eat together, we'd have lots of random conversations, interesting conversations, we'd get to know each other pretty well, and then have fun and relaxing week, which is kind of how it's turned out. So yeah, without the writing.
So explain what the highlights were for you, or during the day, or the schedule of the day that you enjoyed.
So I quite liked having the structure, and so each day there's a structure, but I also like the flexibility, so you could go to things or not go to things depending on what you fancied or how you were feeling. So I've had a little bit of a twingy back, so I've ducked out of a couple of the exercise sessions, and then when I've been feeling a bit stronger, I've joined them again, so that's been good. What's been brilliant, I think probably one of my highlights, is the morning meditation outside, where you get to watch the sunrise over the mountains. That was, listen to the bird song. It, you know, I say meditation, it's almost silent, so yeah, that was that's been a real highlight. I've enjoyed the Pilates, and I really like that the fact that the way that the setup is, there's lots of places that you can go, different places. So there's like we're in the bean pod bit, I guess. Here there's a pool, there's yoga deck for meditation, there's a studio, there's like, but just around and about you can find either places for people to talk to or places you can go and be on your own. And one of the this might sound like I'm antisocial, but I have really enjoyed just lying in a hammock reading a book. I'm not particularly a sun worshipper, my mum's more of a sun worshipper, so I've gone and laid in a hammock, had some hammock time, and it's like nice dappled like sunlight. So yeah, that's been really relaxing.
Thanks for sharing. Somebody that was nervous, had never been on a retreat before, what would you say to them?
I can understand why you might be nervous. There's a lot of unknowns, uncertainties, but I had been on lots of retreats before, writing retreats, but I think just give it a go. There's obviously a reason that you've looked at the retreat, or you're interested. It's kind of, yeah, there's no risk in coming.